Angelina Jolie accuses Brad Pitt of abuse on private plane. Angelina Jolie has filed court papers accusing ex-husband Brad Pitt of drunkenly attacking her and their children during a private plane flight, prompting her to file for divorce. In a lawsuit over a French winery that the stars bought, Ms. Jolie says Mr. Pitt grabbed her by the head and attacked two of their children on the 2016 trip. Mr. Pitt also verbally abused and poured alcohol on his family during the flight from France to Los Angeles. She says he denies the allegations. Ms. Jolie's claim of abusive behavior by Mr. Pitt on the September 14, 2016 flight have emerged in previous court papers, including the Oscar-winning former couple's divorce settlement. The incident was investigated by the FBI in 2016. Authorities decided not to press charges, but new details were alleged in Tuesday's filing in Los Angeles by Ms. Jolie's legal team. It is part of an ongoing lawsuit over Chateau Miraval SA, a home and vineyard in the south of France that the former Hollywood couple acquired together. Mr. Pitt argues that he and his former wife had agreed not to sell their stakes in the venue without the permission of the other. Ms. Jolie disputes this and blames Mr. Pitt for ending negotiations over purchasing her shares of the property. Her cross-complaint on Tuesday says the actor was physically and emotionally abusive towards her and their 6 children aged 8 to 15 at the time during the private plane flight. Her lawyers allege the Fight Club star began shouting, accusing her of being too deferential to the children. Shortly into the flight, Mr. Pitt pulled her into the bathroom in the back of the plane, says the lawsuit. Pitt grabbed Jolie by the head and shook her, and then grabbed her shoulders and shook her again before pushing her into the bathroom wall. The filing adds, Pitt then punched the ceiling of the plane numerous times, prompting Jolie to leave the bathroom. After one child verbally intervened, Mr. Pitt lunged at his own child, says the filing. Ms. Jolie then grabbed him from behind to stop him. According to the court papers, to get Jolie off his back, Pitt threw himself backwards into the airplane seats, injuring Jolie's back and elbow. The legal filing continues. The children rushed in and all bravely tried to protect each other. Before it was over, Pitt choked one of the children and struck another in the face. Ms. Jolie's lawyers say she and her children sat still and silent under blankets for the remainder of the flight. Pitt periodically emerged from the back of the plane to yell and swear at them. At one point, he poured beer on Jolie, at another, he poured beer and red wine on the children, says the filing. A source close to the actor told the BBC that Ms. Jolie's claims were false. She continues to rehash, revise and reimagine her description of an event that happened 6 years ago by adding completely untrue information each time she fails to get what she wants, said the source. Her story is constantly evolving. Last year, a judge awarded joint custody of the children to both parents. The Miraval estate is located in the village